Do you know the main difference between ChatGPT and Jeda AI? So, let me show you that. Okay, this is Jeda AI and this is ChatGPT. I'm going to ask the same question from both platforms. However, I'm going to use the ChatGPT first. By the way, my question is unbelievable Nikola Tesla. This should be facts. And now I'm going to click on this button. You can see the output. This is a text-based output, right? And informative. Okay, it's okay, informative. By the way, now I'm going to use Jeda AI with the same question. You can place the cursor here. Okay, cursor somewhere. Then start typing. Unbelievable. So you can see that, right? Unbelievable facts about Nikola Tesla. Okay, now I type the question, but you have to type slash. Then you will get more options. Not like ChatGPT, you will get more options. You can select on universal, analysis, mind map, flowchart, wireframe, text. So it's sticking out like that. So I'm going to click on universal. Then AI will decide what to do. Okay, this is the best output. This is a visualized output, right? So this is a summary, and you can see there are a lot of things here, but you can see the summary here. Okay, Tesla was able to memorize entire books and visualize indicate diagrams in his mind. So his AC system revolutionized the way electricity is transmitted and distributed. So like this, okay, this is short and sweet, right? So you can understand very well. By the way, if you need more information about this, you can double click on this and just type slash, then you can click on text. So then you will be able to get the text based answer without going to the ChatGPT. So you can use the same way. Okay, you can get the text based answer by using the same thing. Okay, you don't need to type the same question again and again. Okay, you just have to double click on this and then you can type slash. That's all. Now you just think you need the text-based answer, not like this. You just need a text-based answer. You can use this option here and then you can click on text. Okay, you can click on text. Now just type the same one. Okay, same question here, unbelievable facts about Nikola Tesla, and just click on this one. Now you will see the output as a text. Wow, great, right? Yes, you can see the summary. So this is perfect for understandability, right? Okay, by the way, I think with my comparison you can understand why you must use Jeda AI, why I do more videos about Jeda AI for you. You can get the summary of the information you requested always, so that's a better thing. Okay, there are so many things that you can do with Jeda AI. That's why I said this is better than ChatGPT. Okay guys, I will leave you to decide what to use. By the way, please like this video, comment this video, share this video, and please search KD Jayakodi on YouTube and just click on the subscribe button. That's all. Bye.